Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're exploring waterfalls in Bali. Apparently this waterfall was quite dirty for a few years, so we've had some conservation volunteers come by each year for a couple of years and they've been cleaning it up. So anyway, there's a whole bunch of bamboo all around me at the moment. I'm in a bamboo forest. It's pretty spectacular, and they use this bamboo for a number of different building materials and a lot of engineering feats as well. So it's quite amazing what they do with this type of natural product. Anyway, let's keep going. The great thing about this place is you don't get all the hordes of tourists, so it's a really good spot if you like nature and you want to be on your own.
Om Swastiastu. Let me introduce myself. My name is David Dkam, or my Balinese name is Dewa Ketut Alit Mardika. I am the guardian of this place. So before it turned into a tourist destination, it was a dirty river here. So I clean it and then become a tourist subject. So the name of this tourist object is GGC Waterfall. That stands for Goa Giri Campuhan, beauty and serenity. So I hope you come to this place, so this place will give you beauty and peaceful. Okay, thank you for coming and thank you for watching.
Alright guys, we are back from the GGC waterfall. It was a spectacular little waterfall. I highly recommend you go and see it. It's beautiful. So if you like this video, you know the usual, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you soon.